Hi everyone, welcome back to Spanish Hut. Hope you all are doing good. Today we are going to learn 25 different colors in Spanish. So you will get to enlarge your word stock and learn some more fascinating words to use. Today's video is definitely going to level up your skill. So let's just start our rainbow class. First is color. We called in Spanish is el color. Black, negro. Red, rojo. White, blanco. Pink, rosa. Blue, azul. Gray, gris. Green, verde. Purple, violeta. Orange, la naranja. Brown, maroon. Maroon, granate. Yellow, amarillo. Golden, dorado. Sky blue, azul celeste. Pale blue, azul claro. Dark blue, azul oscuro. Navy blue, azul marino. Beige, bliss. Natural, crudo. Copper, el cobre. Transparent, transparente. Multicolored, multicolor. Shade, el tono. So this is all about colors in Spanish. Hope you like this video, and if you like this video, like, share and subscribe Spanish Hut. Thank you. Have a nice day.